In today's video, I'm going to show you how to strike through text in OneNote quickly and easily. This is a super useful formatting trick when you want to mark something as completed, crossed out, or no longer needed without deleting it completely. It's simple, fast, and once you know where to find it, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple OneNote tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneNote and go to the page where your text is located. Now, highlight the text you want to strike out. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the words, or by selecting the exact sentence or phrase you want to format. Once the text is highlighted, look up at the top of the screen and click the Home tab on the ribbon. This is where OneNote keeps most of its basic formatting tools. After clicking Home, look for the Basic Text Formatting group. This is the section where you'll usually find options like bold, italic, underline, and other common text tools. In that same area, you should see the Strikethrough icon. It usually looks like an ABC with a line going through the middle. Once you find it, simply click the Strikethrough button, and your selected text will instantly be crossed out. That's all there is to it. You can use this same method anytime you want to visually mark text as removed, outdated, or finished while still keeping it visible on the page. It's especially helpful for to-do lists, notes, and planning pages where you want to keep a record of what has changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.